today. Remember, this company has revived its expansion plans that it had put off for some time. It's in the entire cable business, so whether it's power, specialty cables, instrumentation, they're all across the board. Specialty cables, of course, contributes a bulk of their revenue. Mr. Sawhney, thanks a lot for joining us. If you could first highlight your expansion plans, on what segment would you be focusing on? Because you are pretty diversified in the entire cable industry. Where would a bulk of this expansion come in? What's the amount you're planning to spend? How are you planning to fund it? And eventually, when will this start hitting your top line?
You see, we have already commenced the construction for this new project, which is in the Alwar district, state of Rajasthan. The construction is on and the machinery orders have been placed. This is basically to augment our capacity in case of, especially in case of the specialty cables. We are the largest manufacturer in this country, and proceed of it, it would be going towards the power industry, refineries, airport modernization, metro railways, etc. And about 20 to 25% of our output, you see, we expect to come from the overseas market, mainly the Eastern Europe part, Middle East and the African market. And we expect to get it commissioned towards July 2010.
These are those small numbers they're flashing on your screen. It's slightly below estimates, I believe, because it's been about a 10 crore decline on a Q-on-Q basis. So stock had opened up actually about 5 to 10 odd percent and now is absolutely flat post these numbers, just up about 1% in trade. So the numbers have come in for a bit of a disappointment. It's about a 10 crore loss on a Q-on-Q basis. That's about a 25 to 30% odd decline. But back to Quartz Cable then, Mr. Sawhney, if you could put some more numbers in terms of what this would do to your earnings projection, because there are some reports that suggest it could take you into a different orbit in terms of your top line when this comes on stream, maybe even make you a 500 crore turnover company. Is that true? When would that happen? And how much are you investing in this entire expansion plan?
You see, we are investing around 85 crores in this project, you see. And about 50 crores is to come from the IPO proceeds, for which you see about major portion was towards the land, also about 16-17 crores. And rest you see, we have got the term loan sanction both from this ICCI and IDBI. So all the funds are have been tied up. There is no issue on that account. And the cable industry, you see, because of the recession in the last year, we have affected to some extent, you see. But the way things are taking shape, we expect 2010 and 11 to be much better as compared to the last year and the present which is going on.
So can we expect a 500 crore turnover then, or after all this capacity comes on stream?
You see, not in the 2010-11, but definitely it should exceed, you see, because the expansion should get commissioned, you see, as I shared with you in the month of July. We need another 2 to 3 months time to get it stabilized. From third quarter onwards, you see, in the 2010-11 we'll get the rated output, but the total output, you see, we are going to get in 2011-12 only. And in that year, the turnover top line, if we take the commodity at the present level, it should be around 550-600 crores.
Thank you so much for joining us on the show. That's the MD of Quartz Cable.